Hey, we're alive. Not with this phone. Oh, with this phone. Ha! Marcus body coding live. Nude footwork every day. Ching. Yeah, you see, we do. No excuses. Yeah, are you ready? Let's go. Today, Air Basic 7. Let's see how it looks like. Let's go. Yes, this is the move now from the side. Keep closer. This is the move. Now, no excuses. Let's do it together. Let's go. Yes, let's do it together. On the floor, wherever we are. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We do tap, tap, and tap. Now, we'll do the air. We step in the air. Notice it's in the air, not on the floor. Up in the air. And then we get it back. And we go on the toes, switching the weight. Now the same thing with the right. Tap, tap, tap. Still the weight on the left. Then step in the air, slide back, change the weight and on the toes. Let's go again with the left. Tap, tap, tap. Step to the front in the air. Yeah, and slide it back. Going on the toes, switching the weight. Let's go again with the right. Tap, tap, tap. Step in the air. Slide back and going on the toes. Yeah, now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, switching the weights with the right. 1, 2, 3. Step in the air on the toes. Switching the weight. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. Now let's do it face to face. I wanna see you. Let's go. Are you ready? Yeah. Imagine yourself staring. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah. But not doing faces. Practicing. Let's go. Let's change the angle a bit. Let's go. Starting with the left. You do tap, tap, tap. Step to the front in the air. Push it back. Yeah, change the weight. Now with the right. Tap, tap, tap. Step in the air. Pull it back on the air and switch the weight. Now on the toes. Again. 1, 2, 3. Step in the air. Slide it back. 1, 2, 3. Step in the air. Slide it back. Now let's do it from the side. Cha-ching. Let's go. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah. Step in the air. Notice in the air. Go on the toes, on the right toes, and pull it back. Yes. Now with the right. Tap, tap, tap. Step in the air. Pull it back, going on the toes. Again. Tap, tap, tap. Step in the air. Slide to the back. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 7. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And you know what, Ching? Let's give another tip here. Let's go. we can do tap. We can point with the finger. First step, tap, tap, tap. Now, when we do the air, we can rotate 45 degrees. Yeah. Tap, 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 and we can rotate back. Yeah. One more time. Pa, pa, pa. We do the air. We rotate. Pa, pa, pa. Do the air. We rotate. Yes. This is the tip for the day. This is the move. But if you are the serious student, teaching, yeah, make sure to check out the link to the full tutorial. Where's the link? Above, below, to the side. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel for the full free, forever for free tutorial for this move, Air Basic 7 or Air B7. Go to the link to the YouTube channel and search for this move, Air B7. Yeah, that's the name. And I also remind you, these are universal moves. This is Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, any style that you want. And if this is salsa, you can do it on one or on two. Why? Because you can do it with the right or with the left. It doesn't matter. Yeah. And either way, do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, let's meet tomorrow, wherever we are. Today, by the river. Maybe also tomorrow. I don't know. Why do you care? Let's meet tomorrow for the new footwork. See you tomorrow.